Hi everyone, welcome back. In our previous video, we started with our CRUD operation in aggregate management. Now we are going to continue with that. So let's open the studio. Here we stopped in this stage. Now we are going to redirect to action, redirect to action index action. Okay, if it is success, then we are going to redirect to index action. If not success, what we have to do? If it is not success, what we have to do? In the else case, else we can redirect to else we can return to return view with user. Here we can return redirect index. Okay, but in else case we have some errors, so we need to capture the errors. So model state dot add errors. We can put general error occurred during user registration. Okay, let's run the application. Let's see what happens. Before that, we can add menu for this application. So go to, you already know that where is the menu. The menu is inside layout. So I'm going to add one more menu. That menu name is user navigator. Here, another list accounts and list users. Action name is list users. Okay, fine. Okay, let's run the application again. Yeah, we got user management menu. Click on that. It says user management model, application user management. This means we injected the dependency in our code controller, right? Yeah, yeah. But we already know that we saw in our previous videos, whenever we injecting the dependencies, definitely we need to register the dependencies. So please go to program.cs file. Here, builder dot services, dot services dot add identity application user with identity role. Then we need to provide the entity framework details also here. So add entity framework store, then or DB context, application DB context. This application DB context name, we have application DB context here. We need to provide this one. Application, yeah, we have the copy, paste it in. Okay. Let's run the application. Sorry, this. Yes, identity row. Okay, let's run the application. Click on user management. Click on create new user. Yeah. Now that pipeline help us. Okay. I'm providing some test data. I'm clicking create new user. Take a password. Put the pipeline in accounts controller. The pipeline here and click on create new user. If done, it is not succeeded. Succeeded is first. And what error occurs? Because some errors result. Some error. It says password is too short. Password must be 16 and password not alphanumeric, non-alphanumeric. Some error is there. So user need to know the error. Then only they will correct their password. So how to intimate this to user? Instead of providing this common exception, I'm going to look through the exception message and I am going to add it to one state. For each that item in set.errors, I'm going to add item.error description. Error, sorry, item.description. Okay. Now we need to display it in our CSS HTML. So here I'm going to provide div ASP validation summary all. These things we already learned in our previous session, so no need to say keep. I can provide some text danger, text type danger. Okay, let's run the application. Now the breakpoint and let's run the application. Click on user management. Click on create new user. Provide something. Create new user. Its host password must have at least one alphanumeric character. So I'm going to provide alphanumeric character at this symbol. At least one zero to nine. So I'm going to provide one. So at least one uppercase. So I'm going to provide yes, F first, capital F, create new user. Rows. The index, sorry, actually, we are not using index, we are using list users. So I'm going to draw this one. Okay, let's run the application. Click on user environment, click on create new user. With some test user, right? Test user by gmail.com. Capital letter A, small letter B, C, D, action symbol 1, 2, 3. I'm going to click create new user. Yes, it created successfully. Go to the database and click on edit document.host. Yes, test user file here. Test user file is created. Here it automatically generates some ID and username and email ID and password. It not saves the plain password. It is perform some encoding or something and it save the password as. So it reduces the overhead of our work. So this is the benefit of our identity management. Okay. Now we successfully created a user. The CRUD operation we created the user. Now we need to list the users in our listing scheme. So in our next session, we can see how to list the users in our listing scheme. Thanks for watching.